Vaccinating your children is the topic we're going to be talking about today. Vaccinating your children can prevent thousands of different diseases from occurring and spreading. It's extremely important, very easy to have done, and is something more children should be able to receive. Vaccinating your children, I feel, is something extremely important and crucially vital in this type of world we live in today. They've been known to help treat and postpone so many different illnesses, and I honestly can't come to understand any other logical reasonings for not vaccinating your child. Vaccinating your children can prevent thousands of different diseases from occurring and spreading. It's extremely important, very easy to have done, and is something more children should be able to receive. Vaccinating your children can prevent hundreds of illnesses. In the United States, currently, we have the safest vaccine supply in its history. Before a vaccine is approved and given to children, it is tested extensively. Scientists and medical professionals carefully evaluate all of the available information about the vaccine to determine its safety and effectiveness. As new information and science become available, vaccine recommendations are constantly being updated. A little statistic I jotted down: there were 314 individual cases of measles recorded between January and March of this year in 15 states of the U.S. And of 157 cases recorded in Rockland, New York, 82% had not gotten a measles vaccine, also known as MMR. It's been all the way since 2015 since the last person has died of measles in the United States, and another 12 years before that. How easy is it for a person to receive vaccinations? In this country we live in, it's honestly as easy as making a doctor's appointment with your local primary care provider and going over all vaccines offered for your age and gender and deciding what's best for you. But that's only in our country. Did you know that in all the other countries in the world living in poverty and all the third world countries we hear of aren't even offered vaccines? They don't even have the option. All of the ways medicine has and is capable of saving lives, I've jotted down a few things such as hepatitis B. There's been 12.7 million deaths recorded. Measles, 96.7 million deaths. Polio, 13 million deaths. Tetanus, 37.1 million deaths. And whooping cough, 38.1 million deaths. All of these deaths have been recorded to have been people that had never received a vaccination in their life. In the 21st century, the number of deaths from this disease will probably be in the few thousands worldwide. Why? Because of vaccines. Not better sanitation, not better healthcare facilities, but because of vaccines. And in the 21st century, as more vaccines are developed and brought to the market, many of these infectious diseases will be less of a problem. Vaccines save lives, literally hundreds of millions of lives every day. So just as all the facts state, vaccines are really an important part of the world and should most definitely be an important part of everyone's life. Small or big, young or old, it simply does not matter. If you do not want to live your life with some kind of disease or terrifying risk of contracting one, then you need to make sure you are vaccinated, and you need to do as well for all of your children, family, and loved ones.